My people, well done. My name na Dr. Toyin. Today we go discuss wetin be sleep and the stages of sleep. Sleep na when you don rest well well, and the time when person need, e go depend on the person age, sex, mental and physical condition. On average, if you be adult, you need between 6 to 10 hours of sleep. If you sleep, wake up, you see say your body coole, na the amount of time when you need to sleep be that. Na the quality of sleep na im dey better pass the quantity of sleep. E get wetin dem dey call sleep tank or sleep battery. When you wake up, you don dey charge this your sleep battery, or you don dey put petrol for this your tank. When the tank don full or the battery don charge finish, na im be say you go sleep. And when you dey sleep, you go use up this battery, you go use up this petrol. When the thing don finish like this, na im you go wake up. If to say you can't do small sleep in between, na im be say you don dey use small of the battery or you use small of the fuel, that one no good. So na im make e good make you dey sleep and make you dey wake up almost the same time every day, so that you go dey sleep well. If to say you dey sleep well well, you go see say you go fit concentrate well well, you no go feel stressed, even your physical health go better, and you go get power to dey do things. But if to say you no sleep, you go just dey vex anyhow, you no go just come get energy, you go just dey make mistake anyhow, and even your mental health fit no good, or you fit even get problems like heart problems. E get 4 stage for sleep, but this 4 stage dem dey put am into 2 big group when dem dey call non-rapid eye movement and rapid eye movement, or REM. The non-rapid eye movement e good because during this time, the person heart rate, the blood pressure, the temperature, the respiratory rate go down. And this stage e get 3 phases. The first phase na im the person just start to sleep. If you wake the person fit just wake immediately. If you no disturb the person, e go enter phase 2. In phase 2, if you no disturb the person, e go just enter phase 3. Na for this phase 3 na im be deep sleep. If to say you wake this person at this time, the person fit no understand wetin dey happen, you go dey disoriented. If you no disturb the person for this phase 3, then e go enter REM sleep. Na for this REM sleep na im the body go coole. Na im be say all the blood go the brain, make the person just dey go through wetin e don go through that day, make e dey think am, dey see how e go do better. So na this REM sleep na im good to develop emotional and social health. If you no disturb the person, all this one na one cycle, and during the night the person go through many cycles. And as the night dey go on, the non-REM phase go short, meanwhile the REM one go long. I hope say you don understand sleep and the different stages. And until next time, make you smile because e dey healthy. Abeg, I wan enter non-REM stage 1 now. Bye bye yo.